and gentlemen, welcome back to What Do We Feed Our Children? I'm happy to present to you a new quick snack for the little ones, and why not for the adults too, which has made our life easier. Whether it's consumed at home or taken with us when we go somewhere with the kids, usually to the park, it is an ideal option to keep the children in shape. Option or options, and you will see why. Well, less talk and more action. So, here's what you'll need for this Greek yogurt parfait. Greek yogurt, 5.3 ounces. Blueberries, 0.9 ounces. Raspberries, 0.9 ounces. Crunchy cereal, granola type, 0.9 ounces, one to your taste. I used one only with honey. The first option, and probably the easiest one, would be to prepare the ingredients separately, put them in a container to transport them safely, and consume them one by one or together when the time is right. However, when we consume them, it is advisable to mix the crunchy cereal with the yogurt to make it softer and easier to chew. The second option would be the classic parfait, in which we add the ingredients in layers in a single container. Me voila! And the third option, proposed by me, because I like to mix things up. Probably you realized it from the milkshakes, or if you haven't seen those videos, you definitely need to go and watch them. But let's get back to the last proposed option. We add all the ingredients in a container and mix them. Or better yet, let's say press them. As you can see, I used another accessory of the hand mixer. This is the Greek yogurt parfait with blueberries, raspberries, and crunchy granola, served in 3 options. Wait a minute! Let's not forget the most important tool. The spoon! The word parfait comes from French. Oui, oui, bonjour, à Paris, c'est bon, très bien. In English, it translates to perfect. So yes, this snack, it's probably perfect for us and for the little ones when we are in a hurry, when we want to be practical, but especially when we want to offer our kids something healthy that will give them the necessary energy to run to the playground. Let me know which option you have chosen. The first option, the practical one, the second option, the fancy one, or the third one, which is more difficult to prepare, but the reward is worth it. Until next time, stay healthy and cheerful.